Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company, and I provide Google Ads audit, settlement, management services. In case if you're looking for those, you can hire me and my team to the link in the description, and I look forward to working with you guys. So let's get started on the question I have today, and the question is, Hi Ali, can you help or explain? I run two campaigns for two separate services. My Google Ads budget is set at £10 daily for each campaign, which totals £20 a day. After 14 days, my balance to pay is £620, which seems strange. Yeah, it seems strange. Also, Google Ads is charging me 2.600 per click for one campaign and 12.80 per click for the second campaign. Any advice would be appreciated. Okay. For the thing, first of all, that although you have set your budget at £20 a day, combining both campaigns, and after 14 days, it should be around 240, but you have to pay £620 a day. Okay, so there can be multiple reasons for why your bill is balance to pay is £620. Okay, £620 means um, you may have, your previous balance to pay. It could be a reason. I'm just giving your previous balance to pay. Okay, it happens the account last time you ran the campaign and you had some pending amount. That could be the issue over here. The second thing is that the Google can do overspend. Okay, because it's a new campaign and can overdo spend. Okay, what you have to do is to look around on the 30 days. Okay, when you see 30 days, if your budget is £20 a day for 30 days, your total amount wouldn't be cost £600, which is quite strange right now, because the even the over budgeting is for 20-30%, but that is too much. So I do not believe that the over budgeting is over here, but the main cause is there is a previous balance over here which you had to pay. So that is something you look around, or maybe you have set your budget right now, and there may be days when the budget was high and you suddenly refuse to reduce to 10 pounds a day for each campaign. So this could be an issue that previously you didn't set up the budget. Okay, otherwise there is no reason that your account can go to £620 a day spending. That is tried tested thing. I've been working with Google Ads for 15 years. So, also in case if you think there is a glitch, you can always reach out the Google support, or in case if you want our assistance, me and my team can help you in sorting out these errors. So your second question is, also Google Ads is charging me 2.60 per click for one campaign and 12.80 per click for the second campaign. Now because the two campaigns have different CPC, so you are concerned on optimizing your CPC. Okay, so I'm saying to optimize your CPC or reduce your CPC. Okay, I have discussed in various campaign. You need to figure out, or you need to do few things. Improve your account structure, increase your CTR. The most important thing is improve your quality score. Okay, now the Google algorithm works on the quality score. Higher your quality score means the lower the CPC you have to pay. Even there are scenarios when your competitors are paying 5 to 10 times more than you, and you are paying 10 times even lower than your competitors, just by optimizing your quality score. Now I have dedicated videos on what is quality score and how you can optimize the quality score. You can watch my YouTube channel, and you can see around different videos on how you can optimize your account structure, how you can improve your quality score. And you can see over here that this itself says that when the two campaigns have different CPCs and has a lot of difference, means that both campaigns work differently. So every campaign works differently. There is a different market, there is a different advertisers competition, so we need to work around on different ways to optimize the quality score, improve our account structure. By improving our account structure means lower keywords for each ad group, so that you can have more relevancy. And in case if you can create dedicated landing pages for each ad group, that is going to be a winning formula if you are able to do it. And that is how you can reduce your CPCs and increase your conversions. Also, you just discussed about budget. I wanted to see about conversions, how well your conversions are seen, so I can give you more analysis if I had your conversions data. But for now, these are the few other suggestions which I felt were necessary to be shared with you. But in case if you want a full Google Ads account audit, or in case if the audience wants to do one of their accounts audit, we are a Google partner company, and you can hire us through the link in the description. Me and my team will love to work with you guys. and sort out these errors. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this answers your question. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to working with you as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.